Select the Roof Architectural object from the drawing menu. Roof design is divided into two phases. A first phase requires us to define the roof footprint, the second to define the various roof slopes. So let's start off by setting the first point with a simple click and use the building enclosure intersection points to insert additional nodes that form the roof shape that is gradually being composed and colored in red. Enter the last point and end the command. The Edit mode is activated, where you can define the various roof slopes. But in addition to this manual mode, we can also define the overall dimensions automatically. Simply select the roof object and activate the compartment option. By clicking within our project area with the magic wand tool, defines the total surface to cover and is then colored in red. If we select this area and choose the Edit option, we can then concentrate on designing the roof slopes.